In a strategic move to modernize its air force, Austria has announced the acquisition of 12 Leonardo M-346FA jets, aiming to replace its retired Saab 105 fleet. This decision signifies a significant advancement in the nation's aerial defense and training capabilities. The Saab 105, introduced into the Austrian Air Force in the early 1970s, served as a versatile jet trainer and light attack aircraft. After decades of service, these aircraft were decommissioned at the end of 2020, leaving a notable gap in Austria's training and light combat capabilities. To address this capability gap, Austria has selected the Leonardo M-346FA, an advanced jet trainer and light attack aircraft developed by the Italian company Leonardo. The M-346FA is a variant of the M-346 Master, designed to fulfill both training and operational roles, providing a seamless transition from training to combat readiness. The M-346FA boasts impressive capabilities. Equipped with state-of-the-art avionics systems, it ensures superior situational awareness and mission effectiveness, designed for both advanced pilot training and light combat missions, offering flexibility in various operational scenarios. Engineered for agility, it provides pilots with exceptional handling characteristics, crucial for both training and combat situations, capable of carrying a wide array of modern munitions, enhancing its effectiveness in ground support and air defense roles. These features make the M-346FA a formidable addition to Austria's aerial fleet, ensuring that pilots are well prepared for a range of missions. The acquisition is being facilitated through a government-to-government agreement between Austria and Italy. A letter of intent was signed on December 28, 2024, underscoring the strong defense cooperation between the two nations. This partnership not only enhances Austria's defense capabilities but also strengthens bilateral ties with Italy. While the total cost of the purchase is still under negotiation, approximately €1 billion have been budgeted for the acquisition. This investment reflects Austria's commitment to modernizing its defense infrastructure and ensuring the readiness of its air force. Deliveries of the new aircraft are expected to commence in 2027, with the fleet becoming fully operational shortly thereafter. This timeline ensures a smooth transition and integration into the Austrian Air Force, allowing for adequate training and operational readiness. This procurement not only modernizes Austria's Air Force but also strengthens the defense partnership between Austria and Italy, reflecting a shared commitment to regional security. The collaboration exemplifies the benefits of international cooperation in defense procurement, leading to enhanced capabilities and interoperability. With the introduction of the M-346FA, Austria is poised to enhance its aerial defense and training capabilities, ushering in a new era for its air force. This strategic acquisition ensures that Austria remains at the forefront of modern aerial warfare and pilot training, securing its skies for years to come.